Okay, so hi everyone. We will be starting with the installation of the Kubernetes part today, and we'll see that how we can, install, how we can set up the Kubernetes and the clusters and things. So we'll go with the our previous approach, like with the approaches which we have already looked over. So the one approach would be here, with respect to. So now you can installation of Kubernetes. So you can install Kubernetes, using multiple ways. The first way is local installation, right? Local installation means whatever your system is there, in that you can install that using a Minikube. Okay, using a Minikube, or there is a kind cluster, there is a K3s and all. So these are some of the utilities. These are some of the agents, some of the softwares which will allow you to run these things. Okay. Now, the another way to install this, the another way to set this up is that you can either have a standalone EC2 instances. Okay, standalone EC2 instances, and we can just do the worker, we can install everything manually and set that up. Now, the third point here is the third way to do it using some cloud provider. If you're using some cloud provider, like you are using GKE, that is a Google cloud provider, or their service known as Google Kubernetes Engine, EKS for the Amazon cloud provider, and if you are using Azure, so for Azure. Okay. Now, for our demonstration purpose, for our lab setup purpose and things, we would be mostly trying all of the approaches. There is one more approach known as a Docker-based Kubernetes. Okay, Docker-based Kubernetes. So yes, we will be trying all of the approaches because we want to understand, we want to know how the things differ. Okay, so the entire session will lie around the same today in setting up the different versions and setting up the different things. We will be end of the day using only one setup, and then accordingly we will just do the practice and other things on that. Now, Amazon EKS is one of the setup which will cost us, okay, which will definitely cost us. But with the free account, with the free thing, you can use, you will already have the $100 credit. So we will use the setup during our this sessions, and we will destroy that so that our cost will not come at a very higher level. The second part is you can get some more credits using AWS Educate service. Okay, there is a service, or there is a portal known as AWS Educate, where it is coming for cloud skills are there for education. So to be honest, I'm very not well versed at how the things work here, but yes, I know that okay, this is a service. If you sign into this and things, you get some more credits to that. Okay, so just explore that. Okay, and while you explore that, so with that it is there. Now the good part is that a person with a age of 13 years also can log in here, and there is no credit card, nothing has been needed here. So you can just sign in, you can see that what exactly would be helpful for this and try to use that. Okay, so that way you can use the AWS Educate service. Now